Welcome back to I Can Unbox Anything. Today we have got a box of Hungarian foodstuffs. So yeah, we've got a box of food from Hungary here, sent to me very kindly by, now I hope I get this pronunciation right, Bendegúz in Hungary. Actually, I think rather than sending it direct from Hungary, he's chosen a local supplier and had them pack up some authentic Hungarian items and send them to me. Anyway, without further ado, let's open it up and see what we got. Okay. Right, so we've got box of something. Right, let's get organised. So we got. Okay, I'm going to have no idea what these are. I may have to go and research these and then come back and try to figure out what they actually might be in terms I can understand. So we got this stuff. No idea. we got this. Well, okay, let's have a look at the thing. So this looks like it's some kind of... Oh, this looks like fish. Right, okay. So this is some sort of fish stew, I think. Possibly carp. And this one looks like some kind of meat stew. I can recognise the word pork in there. Maybe. Could be a false friend. We've got this one. Okay, that looks like it's going to be something that I might call goulash. So again, some sort of meat and vegetable stew with tomatoes and possibly flat leaf parsley there as flavouring. And I think that's another one of these, similar to that. Okay, so that's, well, this is a learning experience because I'm really kind of clueless here as to what these things might be, but doesn't this sound interesting? I've got a feeling this could be pork intestines, actually. This could be like tripe, but made from pig's intestines. So then we've got this little stripy bag, which contains, some sweeties by the look of it. So, okay, what we got? So we got a cherry flavoured something bar, walnut flavour something bar, and a coffee. I think this is a chocolate bar. I think these might be chocolate, and maybe they're all chocolate. Okay, and then something packed up in here as well. Ooh, now that looks... These look rather special, don't they? So this is like a little cherry liqueur chocolate thing. I love the packaging. So, we've got we're saved by a little bit of English ingredients here. So these are dark chocolate druggies filled with cherry palinka, 50% dark chocolate, cocoa butter, soya lecithin, sugar, water, cherry palinka. Okay, well, here's the thing, right? So obviously these cans are going to be featured on episodes of Weird Stuff in a Can, I think. And the chocolate bars, I think we might just take out and have them as a little snack while we're out on an outdoor thing at some point. But I think we're going to taste one of these cherry liqueur chocolates right now. Okay. I just love this design. I think actually there's something really nice about designs that come from places other than home. I love to see the way other cultures and other countries design things and the motifs they use. Anyway, so it's a very glossy little ball of chocolate. Let's give that a taste. I think that's going to have to go in whole. So that's like a very sweet dark chocolate covering a little ball of crispy sugar containing cherry flavoured alcohol. Well, what's not to like? I'm going to have another one. So thank you so much, Bendegúz, for sending me all this lovely stuff. I'm really, really looking forward to this. And like I say, yeah, these things are going to turn up in weird stuff in a can, no doubt. Now it's worth mentioning while we're here, I still do have some of the items that were sent to me by Nalem27. I haven't forgotten about these. These are going to turn up in various future videos. They're probably going to be interwoven with some of the things that Bendegúz has sent me as well. So thanks for sending me this, I really do appreciate it. And for those of you watching, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.